Hey everyone, I'm Rajiv from DevCode, and in this video, I will continue the previous video where I shared the basics of loops and iterations. So in this video, we will learn the for loops and its types in JavaScript. So basically, there is the common type of for loop, then there is a for off loop, and then there is a for in loop. A for off loop operates on the value it gets from an iterable one by one in sequential order. Each operation of the loop on a value is called an iteration. An iterable is an object which can be looped over and over by a loop. Objects like list, string, array, etc. are basic examples of an iterable. The for in loop will iterate over all enumerable properties of the object itself and those the object inherits from its prototype chain. Now, since many of the primitive value types in JavaScript are an object, hence each value type has a property and its value. Like in case of an array, the property is the index and the value are the element of that array. So in simple words, in the for in loop, we get the access to the property or index of an iterable, but in case of for off loop, we directly get the access to the element of an iterable. The for off loop won't work for an object because manually created object does not have the iterable prototype. Well, this is it for this video, and in the next video, I will tell you all about the while loop.